PSL Pulse, Chinaman first. Before ngene game in, ngicela siqale la iqale khona mfethu. Looking at ama selection ka coach, all 26 players. Looking at them, they call the player ofisa ngathi uMadala ngalibiza or you happy ngawo wonke 26.
To be honest, uPeterson deserve Bafana Bafana. Not because of his stats, because of his performance. William is there because of Uprosu loyal my player work and doesn't want to let them down because of he's been with my player work for a long period of time. So loyalty, utenge loyalty Upros. Performance ka Williams, consistency yake ibikhona previous years he was consistent but now udropile Williams. You look at ICAF if ever profile Williams kungakusasa brawami. You look at especially in the national team. Mina if I don't I remember well I think kwi AFCON qualifiers khona igame angazange consider kuyo yaseLesotho. I-clean sheets zakhe they are less than 3 kwi qualifiers. And then you look at AFCON masidlala. Kwi AFCON naye masidlala ama clean sheet yakhe kwi game ebenayo I think sasine game yeZimbabwe khona AFCON that was one clean sheet. So you look at back Williams actually from it friendly esaqala kuyo notice ukuthi no akekho grand from France. Now mina the thing about Williams I don't look at Williams kule level ye PSL. Our players may not be accurate with shooting and everything, but to big stages where you know that Abu Mbappe are accurate, those players that they got a basic grain. So football. So iyangwarisha lapho because of yes William yena performs at home better, but yabona internationally I'm very worried because of ziyosabisana ezinye zezinto esiyasizibone ngaye simbonile nakuleya namanye ama-friendlies esike sawabona simbonile nakwi-AFCON simbonile nakwi qualifiers zayo so uyosabisana masifika kulaya level.
Chinaman yazicela senze ngicela sikhuphuke nayo kancane ne looking at i-friend esidlale namhlanje against Nicaragua. Were you expecting a team engathi ithe kuba phezulu ngama rankings or were you happy ukuthi sidlale ne team that's ranked bomba number 119 ku FIFA?
Yabona when it comes to ISAFA, ISAFA problem I don't know how they invest. They don't invest on our craft at some point. We will always be humiliated Gulama big stages because of now out of all other teams we're playing good teams that will participate in the World Cup. Now we get these teams who only got the other team that Panama.
Yeah.
So I don't think preparation here to grand because of most of the time, Tina, we usually play with African teams. We played AFCON, we played qualifiers with African teams, but with other teams from overseas, we are struggling. I think we need to work on that. So, yeah, Ubiag World Cup with Mexico that I always there in the World Cup silently. So somehow sabi side beat, especially with the attack here. My team as good how they attack. Yes, this team was more defensive. There's nothing maybe we can pick up that much. But pick up it seems as if we're still gonna struggle to break those low blocks somehow because of yes, baby pagili pass but so and then the first half natis yes because of that's where we had a lot of chances what we're supposed to was Spanish.
Starting lineup coach were you helping us? I understand he was trying to give other players a chance ukuthi mhlambe makhona ama player aku regular alimalayo akwazi ukubanika ama player wena ubona kanjani lineup?
As much as we are not happy with the selection yalama team but uyabona uFoster Brown he must be grateful yokuthi waba fortunate ukuthi udlala kwi EPL. uFoster Brown he never gave us that is an EPL player. You can take any striker from South Africa can still be better than Mabasa can be a sniper than Mabasa could have scored that penalty. Even Foster doesn't give us that thing, man. Foster, you don't feel like this is an EPL player from prepping everything, and then to me, I still that we still struggle with forwards is it. Yeah, Urenas, you look at Urenas, some touches work, first touch it's different, man. A PSL player, as you could perform continental with caref, but it's different. No, Foster. I probably yabona lapha silisi paraffin lapha ya yabona lapha mama silisi paraffin asilisi paraffin kuFoster asilisi paraffin just that's status sakhe yabona status probably siyakusebenzela uyabona yena privileged and usetshenzela status sakhe. There's no difference between uFoster namanyama players ngenawabiza.
Okay, looking at today's game what are the positives that the players and Hugo Broos should take going to the World Cup?
In this game he needs to know that when you get a chance, you need to kill a chance. World Cup, you don't need 20 goals to win a game. You need 1 goal and able to defend. Those teams, they will press you. A penalty moyega so it means that we're still gonna struggle. So I still feel like uhito bros, uyuko bros, akanayo that thing ukuthi ama chance I practice ama penalty after sessions. So kanjani yena that akanayo penalty taker yakayazi ukuthi igrand. Umshishi bekayibambile ibhola senior player could have just allowed umshishi ukuthi ayishaye ibhola. So I still that you need to know a penalty taker. Who's our penalty taker? How do we break that low blocks? Hey, kuning that still have to be fixed, bro. Now, as much as we support the team, but I'm very worried in terms of how are we gonna score because of we don't utilize those chances, and I don't see this team somehow. Yes, it's behind your border, but I don't see this team whereby if ever we concede a goal, we will be able to turn things around whereby we're gonna win maybe 2-1 or something. We can't turn a game to be on our favor at all. We come back with this team. It's a red thing. If ever, trust me, if ever in this World Cup, any team that scores first against Bafana, just consider that team going to win it. Or is it they're going to play a draw?
Number 10 position, it came back. Ozwane had few good touches. And then the second half, now game. Who should be starts number 10 for Bafana in the World Cup?
It's clear, brother. Yeah. It's clear. The reason why Urile should be start, you use Urile to start the game. Reason being you use Urile to start the game. In the first half, you need to get goals. Uzwane, you can introduce Uzwane second half in terms of holding the game. Uzwane is good in terms of holding the game, especially when you are leading. If you are leading, you don't need goals. Allow Uzwane to play. So for me, Uzwane can control the tempo of the game. Should you go up the pace or what? Should we slow down the game? So in terms of tempo, Uzwane is too good in terms of controlling the tempo of the game and then udlala nje around udlala player and that. So I believe Uzwane is that player that can let other players play. So U10 vele umsebenzi wakho ukuthi allow those players to play. And then another thing, that's why I'm saying mina Urile has to be in the starting lineup all the 3 matches kuma group stages. Then Urile nguye ke ongasenzela in terms of creating chances to score. But as for Umshishi, we can just use Umshishi in terms of control just tempo ye game, yonke into nge-game, Masters leader.
Chinaman, ndiyabulela tata man.
Ndiyabulela bobhuti, all the best.
Thank you for it. PSL Pulse, please subscribe. Danko.